Welcome to Paper Pumpkin with Paper Cuts Crafts. We're making June and July. This is Box of Sunshine.
Open the sunshine.
So our color is black.
Completely black.
It's just black. Waiting. Okay, so we got sun, we got words mostly. Sunshine, your love, sending, color, smile, that kind of stuff.
Ooh.
Ooh, sun.
Here's the big kit. That's thick.
I want to make
Mini
one
paper
sun.
pumpkin boxes. Oh, cool. So this is an additional thing you can buy, the mini boxes.
I want to make sun one.
So this says we have 8 cards and envelopes. Box of Sunshine. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards, so that's 2 of each.
You know how to make one?
Open it up.
I'm going to make one sun.
That was a very easy one.
It's open.
That was easy.
He just has to peel that off.
That way.
So I got
one sun.
Ooh, they're changing
Okay.
colors.
So we have enamel dots. We got dimensionals,
Beautiful sun.
foil envelopes, die cut punches, more die cut punched images,
These have
glue dots.
a little bit of rainbow in them.
Lots of a lot of die cuts.
Whoa, that's a
Okay, so those are all die cuts. These are cards and this piece.
I'm
Okay,
making sun of which one I
you want which one?
That one.
You want this
Can I
one?
get this one?
Yes. Okay, which one do you want? Hey, which one do you want?
That one.
That one? Okay.
For my
I'm gonna do the pineapple one.
That had make 10.
So pretty.
That white one had to make 10.
Yeah. I'm gonna do the pineapple one.
I need
Okay.
sun.
So
Sun stamp.
I know what to do.
you get. I don't know if that's a stamp. Oh, maybe this is a stamp. Okay, you get a stripey.
Wait, that
Oh, this
like
is a sticker. Okay, you get one of these ones.
I get one of these.
And you you take off that one. I don't need to take both.
Oh, that's
Because
mine.
we all get one. Okay, hold on. I didn't say pull it off. Okay.
This is
So the instructions are always on the inside. Stop. Just stop a minute. Okay, so the instructions are a little bit different. Normally they have instruction under the number, but for some reason you have to now match. I liked it better under the number. That made more sense. 'Cause now I have to go, okay, step 1 is to stamp the labels and the card bases. Don't lay it down. It's a sticker. It's going to stick. Okay, so we're going to die cut labels. It says stamp the labels and the bases. Adhere polka dot stickers to the card base. Layer die cut shapes and stamped labels on cards using adhesive dots and dimensionals. Adhere the sequences. Use extra kit elements to make sunshine box for a friend. Fill the inside of the card and yellow goodies with brighten your day. Decorate the outside of your Stampin'Up box to make it unique.
So we can decorate that.
So there's extra pieces to decorate the box. So like this piece here, you can decorate the box.
Oh, that's cool.
But it also says on the little flyer that it's in the box. Anyways, it says there's mini boxes too, and they have a item number. Okay, so I'm gonna hold this for you. You need to stamp the sun on your card first. Okay, so go ahead and stamp it. Now look, it's stamped up, not centered. It's like stamped right here. Okay.
Stamper.
The ink. Okay, and then you have the sunshine. So you get the sunshine and a tag, a white tag.
It's more like that too. Okay. I love the little gold around on the edges.
And the gold foil.
Yeah, I like those are very pretty.
Okay, and then once you didn't get all the sun, did you?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and stamp it then. And your tag says hello if you want it to be.
Yeah, I might have to because I was looking and the sun's overlapping a little bit, so we might have to go for hello anyway. What?
Okay. Alright.
Yep, perfect.
Okay, can you go ahead and clean that? And then, okay, now this one goes just along the bottom of it, okay?
Okay, right here.
Well, it goes over top just a little bit. Over top of the sun. Yep. Okay, now you also need the bricks. Or what look like bricks.
What do you think? That means I
Okay,
can stamp
you're gonna
again.
have to wait until she's finished.
I
And then
see.
that stamps, okay. That stamps right underneath this thing, okay?
Okay, right here.
It's not coming
Yeah,
off.
right underneath. Well, hold on. And then this one you have to stamp your words on, okay?
Okay, so please bring me
Is it
words.
staining it?
Please bring me words, please.
Okay, so yours has sending sunshine. So you have 2 words. So this is sunshine, and then this is sending.
Okay.
So you can put them both on at once. So you have to wait till she's finished.
Okay, I need.
Okay, if it doesn't come off all the way, then it's probably just going to stain it.
This one looks just really clean.
And somehow just stick it.
If it stains, it stains.
This is
I'm not sure how to,
stick this.
Stain them.
what to do with that. I'm probably going to have to find some way to scrub that. Say it's stained, but it comes off of my fingers. So it's not stained.
Okay.
It has very fine little... Are you figuring it out?
Yeah.
I can so light.
Okay, hurry up, he's waiting.
Amy,
Okay, good?
Mhm.
Okay, now look. When you do that, your words, make sure they're not upside down. And you can put it on like that. And then you can put this on the same stamp.
There.
Okay? And then that stamps onto there, okay?
Little more so it's easier to get.
And then yours, Rita, you have your stamps.
This is
Okay, so yours, please stop with your fingers.
there's
Go wash your hands. You're just putting your fingers into everything. Okay, this black, it just gets everywhere. It says it's basic black, but it's archival black. That's why it's getting on everything. You need the stays on, probably, remover. Don't, stop! You get all of your fingers.
Oh.
That didn't sound pretty good. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't have to wait a minute. Can you press stop on there? Okay, so this black is an archival black. It's not the same kind of ink as the others. Okay, you're going to be off camera if you back up too far. So this is a stays on cleaner. I don't know if it's going to help any. It's more of an alcohol-based cleaner. So maybe it'll clean it better.
Listen.
So I like the design of this, but I do not like this ink.
The bend.
It's not very kids friendly. Alright, everything you have is stamped, right?
Yep.
Okay. Why don't you go ahead and
I was gonna say black.
on your card, you're going to put, yes, you're going to put your black dotted sticker right down here.
Okay.
And then you're going to stick this to that with dots and then put it on with dimensionals.
That's okay.
Yes. Okay, stop. So right up against the, yep. There you go.
This is your black.
Okay, and then you're going to use dimensionals and put your tag.
Yeah, flip over.
Look, you're going to put your tag so that's a little bit over the sun and over the dots at the same time.
Okay. And got you peeled this now. 2 sticks. That's one. Mommy, what are you doing?
That's plenty.
Okay. This week.
That is a lot, but you don't need that many.
Is that perfect?
Sure,
Yeah. You.
put yours go on. Okay, now you can pick one big one
Yay.
and 2 small ones.
One big one, 2 small ones. I'll pick this one. Those are sticky.
Make sure you get the glue when you pull them off.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's how they stay. You put it upside down. You have to make sure it's glued down.
Oh! Oh!
Okay, are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you show the camera? Okay, you can have one big one and 2 small ones, and then
And
pass
then-
me the dots.
Wait, I'm
No,
finished.
the dot stickers. Yeah, I think you're done. Yours is pretty easy.
There's-
Thank you.
Oh.
I got
Okay, you get 5 actually, so you can get
I got
3 small ones and 2 big ones.
3 small ones. There.
Please
One.
remove your hand.
I'm watching you guys.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 small.
Okay. Now I can see you.
That one's weird. That one, the weird one. That one's weird. So like this. They glitter. Can you show them this one?
No, I'm putting mine together still.
Hey.
Just hold it right. I'll take the picture.
This one's fine.
I will show it to them. I will show it to them.
Okay, don't get too close. That one's mine. I put one in the hook, guys. Let's see. Very cute. Can you see it? Oh, that is cute.
This is a pretty simple one this time around. Actually, you know what? I might just
Mommy
go
looks
ahead
cool.
and
Is it a pin
quickly
on
put that one together.
Listen.
Starts out and then you can cover it up.
Okay.
And
Okay, my downer thing for this one is that I really don't like the ink. It's the archival ink, so it's not very forgiving. And I'm not sure if it's how we're stamping or what, but it's not stamping clear. So if you look at, this is the fourth one. If you look at the way mine's stamped and the way his is stamped, they didn't stamp fully.
Mine's important.
Yours did? I'm glad yours did. Because ours didn't. And it stays on the stamp because it's archival. Oh, someone else did.
Like and subscribe and see you next time. Bye.